after. Let me show you how I did it. Please share. When working with an alopecia client, make sure you braid as loose as possible to prevent tension and any further damage. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Make sure the braids are close together. This will help cover up the trouble spot. This blue is fire. Building confidence one braid at a time.
Follow, share, like, comment.
Take your time, braid slow and steady. Remember, the braid does not have to be tied to look neat. So satisfying. Continue until you have successfully covered your trouble spot S. At the end, sew all of the braids together so that they don't move or lift. This will help the style last longer and prevent any further damage. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate all your